Yo, what's poppin' gamers? I'm back, hopefully. Anyways, for those of you who are wondering what OneShot is, it's a 2D top-down shooter that I made that's on Steam. So anyways, now that you have context, I should get to work. Snowy was kind enough to give me a huge list of problems for the game, so I was going to use those to fix most problems that players had. I started out with a complete redesign of the UI, because the UI right now looks really bad. I tried to move everything to the left, but that caused there to be a lot of space on the right. That's kind of common sense. So I made it so you could move the player and shoot bullets in the menu to hopefully fill that gap. After that, I made a separate menu for when you press play and went into Photoshop to redesign the icons for these modes, which did eat up a lot of time. The next step was adding Discord rich presence. It wasn't in the original list that Snowy gave me, but I wanted this update to have something other than just redesigns or changes. So boom, got a bad version of Discord rich presence, and you can see when you're playing my game or other people are playing my game, and then they can go on to hopefully play the game themselves or not, I don't care. Also, this video is sponsored by my Discord server. Go there right now, link in description. Right now, please. Go there right now. I also added an options menu in which you can change options and stuff. I don't know, it's pretty cool. I made a lot of small changes like changing XP to energy and some other stuff. So let's do an epic time lapse of me ticking off boxes. I also added a post-processing effect so you can be sure that you're in slow mode when you press C, and it just looks cool overall. Also, Unity liked my tweet. Probably one of the more important changes were the changes to bullet hit registration and how bullets worked overall. Here's a breakdown of how the new shooting works in slow motion. That took me a long time to make because I had to completely change the way how bullets work. That would have been fine, but I was doing this after release. So yeah, that took way longer than it should have. And at this point, I just really wanted to release the update already because I had completely paused everything that I was working on just for this. So I thought that I would just redesign the achievement icons because they look really bad right now and then be done with the update. So I decided to keep the same design for the same kind of achievements. I don't know why my peanut brain didn't think of that before, but hey, at least I thought of it now. That was pretty much it for the update. Tomorrow I had to actually make the patch notes and do some of the art. So yeah, time to head to bed. The next day I started implementing all the new achievements so they actually work. And then I wrote a quick description of the update, uploaded an icon, and boom, done. This update took me way longer than it should have, but hey, at least we're done now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know a lot of you guys were wondering why I didn't upload, and it was because of this update. And even more if you guys were wondering what happened to your shot, and don't worry, your shot is going to be back in the after the next video, if that makes sense. I don't know, but don't worry, it will be back sooner rather than later, because I absolutely love working on it. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.